Hi and welcome to Stafford Audi. This is a brand new Audi S3 2.0 TFSI Sportback S Tronic quattro, which we now have in stock. As this is a brand new vehicle, it does come with 3 years warranty and also 3 years roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Firstly, in this video, we'll take you on a 360 walk around the vehicle and then we'll check out the interior controls and technology. Starting at the front, we do have the S3 badge in the gorgeous front grille. This car does come with a daytime running LED headlights, making sure you are visible whatever the weather is, day or night. Round to the side, we've got the 10-spoke star design 18-inch alloy wheels and the black calipers too. This car does come with the electronical folding door mirrors, which are ideal if you park on the side of the road. We've got the aluminium window trims and the privacy glass in the back windows of the vehicle, ideal if you've got any variables on those back seats. The seats themselves are the fine Napa leather. In the centre is the pull-down armrest, which has 2 cup holders, perfect for those long journeys. The passengers at the rear do have the ability to charge their electronics, as we do have a 12-volt plug socket there. So this S3 is automatic, it is petrol, and it's done around 30 miles on the clock so far. At the rear, we do have the dual exhaust pipes. Let's take a look inside the boot now. The boot itself is really spacious, plenty of room here for your golf clubs, your shopping, or maybe if you're heading off on holiday, those suitcases. Those back seats do fold down as well, perfect if you're doing some DIY at the weekend. So the colour of the car is a gorgeous Glacier White, and it does come with a sports suspension. Let's go back to the interior. We have got the dark spectrum aluminium inlays and of course a black cloth headlining too. We've got the flat bottom multifunctional steering wheel, which I'll show you in detail in just a second. The front seats are sport seats with the S-Line embossed logo on. And that does complete your 360 walk around the vehicle. Time to check out the interior controls and technology. And just to the right hand side of the steering wheel, you do have the mirror and door controls. Also have the ability here to turn on or turn off those child locks for the rear doors. The steering wheel itself is a flat bottomed multifunctional steering wheel, and using the buttons on your steering wheel you can personalise the cockpit display. So whether it's information about your vehicle, you can select your soundtrack to your journey, connect your mobile phone, or you do have a navigation system all on this screen. To the right of the wheel we do have the volume control, which means you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel to alter the volume. And just above it, once your phone is connected via Bluetooth, answer or reject phone calls. To the left, we've got the paddle shift for the cruise control. And in the centre, we've got the main display. This is called the MMI, which stands for Multimedia Interface. And as you can see, it is all touchscreen. You can do various things on it, including selecting your soundtrack to your journey, your navigation system. If we go to phone apps, you can connect up to the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The car menu to Audi Drive Select. Here we can basically choose how you want the car to perform, like the stiffness of the steering wheel and the thrust of the vehicle. Moving down, we do have our air conditioning system. Here we can set various temperatures within the vehicle on the digital display. The 2 front seats are heated, which are perfect for those cold winter mornings. Just below we do have 2 USB ports, ideal to charge those electronic devices with. Next to it we've got the volume control. Just literally hover your finger over it and the volume will go up and down. So this car is keyless, so as long as you've got your car keys with you, press this button here and the car will fire up. We've got the gear shift, so literally push forward to put it into reverse and pull it back to put it into drive. This is our electric parking brake and another 12-volt plug socket there as well. And that does complete our tour around this brand new Audi S3 2.0 TFSI, which we now have in stock. This vehicle does come with 3 years warranty and also 3 years roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon at Stafford Audi.